Hello everyone, I'm here to give you a simple example of the LeetCode problem, binary tree reset view. So suppose we have a tree like this, right? And if we stand at a reset of this tree and we look from this direction, we should see that the reset of the tree is 1, 3, 4, right? So basically, to solve this problem, we should use best first search, BFIs, right? And we should collect each level's rightmost node, right? So we should use a queue to do the BFIs. And let's begin. So at the beginning, we are at this level, right? And we put this node into our queue, and then we go into the for loop, and at this level we only have one element, right? We only have one node, so we dequeue the node 1, and as is the last node of this level, right? So we put 1 into our final result, right? And then we check whether the node 1 has subtrees, right? Has a subnode, right? Yes. So we put its left subtree, left node, and right node into the queue, right? So we have finished this level's for loop, right? So we go down to the next level, and at next level we have 2 nodes, right? So the size of the queue of this level is 2, right? Firstly, we dequeue the front of the queue, which is 2, as 2 is not the last node of this level, right? So we do not need to put the value 2 into our result. The only thing that we need to do is to check whether it has subtrees, it has subnodes, right? Yes, it has a left subtree, so we put the node 5 into our queue, right? Then remember, in this level, we should dequeue again. We should dequeue the node 3, right? And the node 3 is the last node of this level, right? So we put 3 into our final result, and we should check whether 3 has subnodes, right? Yes, it has a rest subnode 4. So we put 3 into the final result, and then we put the nodes 4 into our queue, right? So we finished this level's for loop, and then we go down to the next level, and at the next level we have 2 nodes, right? Firstly, we should dequeue the front of the node of the queue, which is 5, and 5 is not the last node of this level, right? So we do not need to put 5 into our result. We should check whether it has subtrees. No, it does not have subtrees, so we are done here, right? So we dequeue 4 next. We dequeue 4, right? And 4 is the last node of this level, so we put 4 into our result. So that's it. And currently, and we should check whether 4 has subnodes. No, it does not, right? So we do not need to put anything into the queue, so our queue is empty now. So as the queue is empty, we have finished the BFIs, and we should return our final result. So for this problem, the reset view of this tree is 1, 3, 4. So that's the idea of the problem, of how to the reset view of the tree, right? So that's all. Thank you.